Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GIGL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. First thing that I just talk about and really kind of just try to simplify the chart is in regards to, who's in control. Right now, overall in control, the bears are in full control. I say that, and I use the word full for 2 reasons. First, the price is well below the purple line right there, which also has a downward slope to it, the 50-period simple moving average. Second reason, price is well below the pink line right there, and this line also has a downward slope to it. So from a trend perspective, the price is clearly trading or trending downwards, and that is, the bears are in full control. Now, where does the transition start to take place? Because that's really the overall and the logical question, right? Is, all right, well, yeah, I get it, the bears are in full control, but what would be some signs that maybe the bulls are starting to regain their footing and take back control? And that's where, the very kind of simplistic way comes in, into play here in regards to all this. Just keep an eye on that purple line. Simple way to look at it, as long as the price is below that purple line, the bears are in full control, no questions asked, and any sort of upwards price movements should be looked at, with a skeptical eye. Case in point, here's a nice upwards price movement, but then got around the purple line area, came back down. Here was actually a gap up, but once again, right up around that purple area, got knocked back down. So yeah, I realize the price is bouncing right now, and I'm not saying that this isn't the start of something much bigger, but call me skeptical as long as the price is below that purple line, because again, that is what's representing who's in the overall control. And with the price being so far below it, you got to say that, the bears are in control right now. But again, if the price just wants to make a move, come back down, put in a higher low, make another move, come back down, put in a higher low, and just explode upwards, well, at that point in time, all right, the tide is turning, and the bears are losing control, and the bulls are gaining control. But as it stands right now, you can't quite go that far just because the price happened, to bounce up a little bit here. Got to see more than that, and I'm just defining quote-unquote more than that as not only breaking above the purple line, but starting to get some closes above it. So we'll see what happens with it. A nice bounce late day today, so I don't want to diminish that, but also more work to do on the bulls' part, so we'll see if they're up to the challenge or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.